Hey, what's up, Ecash coin holders? What's going on this time? As you can see, my friend, the Ecash coin price will punch up 0.001966 USD dollar as the current price, and 4.58%, my friend, the price is decreasing now in last 24 hours just and only. Otherwise, my friend, in the total average of this month, absolutely going very good now. The price is increased now. So therefore, don't wait, my friend. I'm 100% sure, my friends, this is temporary fail. Don't see this short pump or short dump. I'm 100% sure in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upwards. So therefore, I know to Ecash coin price will be more and more increasing. But for that, you will need, my friends, to hold out, because this time you can see the market cap is very badly decreased now. 4.57% the market cap is decreasing, and you know when a holder are starting investing, then the market cap is increasing. So therefore, you will need to invest now, my friends. The market cap is very less, my friend. I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now 5 billion in upcoming days. But if you are starting investing, so please, holders, my personal experience I share now, so please do this what I tell you. I hope you will get a very good profit. Fully diluted market at 4.59% fails down. Volume, you can see a 9.77% decrease now. And the volume market cap 0.03 USD dollar, 0.03401. And circulating supply is 18 billion. My brother, first of all, I will tell you, my friend, for all viewers, my friends, so this chart is clearly truly, my friends, this coin is lost or this coin is profit. So this time, as you can see, my friend, the green line is just and only show you to this coin is a profit, and the red is clearly show you that this coin is a loss. So they will pay us down from resistance line. Therefore, this coin is completely on the loss. But don't worry, my friend. I hope in upcoming time they will recover this all loss and they will give you a profit. But for that, you will need to hold down, and you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, we will share my friends, the latest updates and give you advices. So please like video and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please hold down and don't start selling and wait for the end of month.